My 3 steps for folding in egg whites, perfect every time. Hey, Chef Des coming at you, corporate chef of BC Egg, and I'm just making some chocolate souffles for dessert, and I thought I would show you guys and share with you my 3 steps for folding in egg whites perfectly every time. In this recipe anyway, I have my chocolate mixture and I have my stiff egg whites here that I need to fold in. And the reason why we fold in egg whites instead of just mixing them in like a mad person is because we really want to capture that air that we've got into the egg whites into the dish and bring it more height, better texture, so on and so forth. In this recipe, what I do is I take about 1/3 of those egg whites and I just stir them in. So what that does, it just helps to be able to incorporate in folding a little bit easier once you introduce the egg whites to your mix, okay? So a little trick there. Really any recipe you can do that. Take some of the egg whites, maybe not 1/3, maybe 1/4 of them, and just stir it in. And that's going to make this base mixture a little bit more accepting to folding in the egg whites. And that's what we're gonna do right now. So grab your egg whites, get them out, and put them on top of your mixture, whatever recipe you're following. Obviously you can see some of the chocolate in my egg whites from my spatula, but that's okay. And here's my 3-step process. You need to scrape, turn, and push, okay? I know it sounds odd, but let me demonstrate for you. So what I do is I take my spatula, I use a big spatula because I really want to help it to incorporate more air into my mixture. So I scrape, which is scraping the side of the bowl, turning the bowl at the same time with my other hand, coming around and push. And what that does, it pushes the egg whites in without deflating them and really adds some more air. So scrape, turn, push. Scrape, turn the bowl, push. And by turning the bowl, you're able to take that spatula and clean the whole edge of the bowl as you go around, as well as when you get to the pushing part, you're pushing in at a different part of the batter, okay? Scrape, turn, push. And if you keep doing that, and I know it's gonna seem like a long time for that to be folded in, but just be patient and you're gonna get the best height possible from any recipe that you're doing when you have to fold in the egg whites. Scrape, turn, push, scrape, turn, push. And just have like a mantra that you keep saying to yourself as you're doing this. Scrape, turn, push, scrape, turn, push, scrape, turn, push. And look, it's coming together. Scrape, turn, push. And that is the perfect way to fold in egg whites. So I'm gonna keep you here with me until we have this completely done so you can see. Scrape, turn, push, scrape, turn, push. We're almost there. And that pushing action, again, really puts in extra air into your mixture. You can see like the air bubbles popping as I'm going through this and doing that. And we are done. Scrape, turn, push. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out my other video for whipping egg whites perfectly to soft peaks, stiff peaks, whatever you want. And don't forget, 1 large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, and 1 large egg is only 80 calories. Check out bcegg.com for a whole bunch of other great recipes, tips, and tricks. And this is Chef Des signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?